Hi, People for India is introducing a robotic program. This is to bring awareness in robotics in young kids and unveil the creativity. So this set is donated by 9 years old who are living in USA and their names are Tanish Koparde and Abhiram Pabati. They donated their birthday gifts that contributed to the purchase of this set. So, children or students, anybody have done something like this in your life? Donated something to the poor or the needy? Did you donate anything that contributes for the society? See these kids and get inspired. So they donated this Mindstorm EV3 robotics kit so that you can learn and get the benefit out of it. So let's see what is this a Lego building system is about. So it is to teach a Lego building system with the most advanced technology ever developed and unleash the creativity of the youth. So there is a famous company by name Lego which has got they have introduced this robotics set, and the name of the set is Mindstorm EV3 set, where you can create and command robots. That robots can walk, talk, think and do anything one can imagine. Have you ever wondered how robotics will be useful for human life? They are helpful in number of ways. They can help you to get your work done without any cost. Okay, and they can work in extreme temperatures where humans cannot reach or work. Okay, did you ever know that America and other countries have sent a robot to Mars? The advantage of it is they can collect the atmosphere information. They can collect this. The robot can collect the sample and can send the information to us. It can send the photographs, and you can learn about the other planets. Okay, so we want you to learn this robotics and unveil your creativity and extend your knowledge to other people in the society. At the same time, you can master and you get a turn to teach more students. That way, you can learn some leadership skills. So when we buy the kit, we have let us understand what's in the box. So there are all Lego pieces. The coming slide will let you know what all the Lego pieces you have, and when once you assemble them, you can create number of robotic versions. They are Tracker, Raptor, Skipper, Spiker, EV3 Storm, and Gripper. So there are other variations as well, but one would love to create these robots. Okay, as you have your mind to control your body, these robots have some programmable brick to control and give some commands so that the motors associated with the robot can function. They can move forward, they can left, right, go back, and they are equipped with different kinds of sensors. The sensors that can recognize the color, the sensors that can that can sense the distance, how much they are from the obstacle, and there are a number of sensors that you can use for this robotics. And not only building this robot, you will be having a remote control to operate this robotic kit, and you can program. Isn't it cool? The program will be in the form of a flow chart with the blocks, and you will have number of different types of blocks that you can build to create a program. We'll come to know about it. Let's go to the next slide. So in the first session, you'll learn a through a step by step with building instructions on getting up to design of tracker, raptor, spiker, EV3 storm, and gripper. So you see there are a number of different kinds of parts. These are all the Lego pieces. When you assemble, you can get this robot. So that is the first session. The example of building a robot, you will be provided with these kind of instructions. So like step 1, step 2. If you see step 1, you are provided with two different kinds of the pieces. So look into these instructions and assemble it. Once you assemble the first step, then go to the second step, and so on and so forth. And each while building the robot, you can come up to some 90 steps or 100 steps depending upon the design of the robot. Some will be complex, some will be easy, but as you build many kinds of robots, you master the skill, so as Abhiram Pabati has done. So this tracker has this programmable brick, as I explained already. And the right hand side, you see this is a touch sensor. Okay, infrared. This one black one is an infrared sensor, and large motor, and the medium motor, large motor. Yeah. So when you build it, you'll understand it. So these are the different versions as we were speaking about: Spiker, Raptor, Gripper, EV3 Star. So the second session, once you complete building that robot, you'll grab the enclosed remote control in the box and take on challenging ready-made missions. So you can download the free apps, command your robot using the smart device. So you can play with the robot using the remote control. Here you learn the skills of downloading the software and downloading the software into your laptop, and from laptop to the robot itself, to the programmable brick. In the third session, okay, once you bring the robot to life, okay, with an easy, intuitive, and icon-based programming interface, you can share your own creations and get also inspired by others. There are a lot of different types of programs available online. Okay, some you can download, get inspired, and some you can create with your own version. We'll give you a small project. Okay, it could be like traveling through a square, a rectangle, a triangle, like different kinds of shapes we can give you, and you need to program the robot to move in such a fashion. Once you're done with the project, we will give you a certificate in the robots. So you see the different types of programming blocks in the EV3 software. So they are classified as per the different colors. Okay, some can be green, orange, yellow, and red. The green ones are known as action blocks. These action blocks control the actions of the program. Okay, they control the motor rotations, and also the image, sound, and light on the EV3 P brick. Okay, that is programmable brick. Okay, so first you get to use these action blocks. Not only that, you also use some flow blocks as well. The flow blocks control the flow of the program. All programs you create will start with the start block. So there will be a start, there will be an end block. So there is a time, wait step, if loop, for loop, switch statement, and all those flow blocks are orange coded. And once you'll master this green and orange, the advanced programmers will go to yellow and red. So in the yellow, you'll get to learn all the sensor blocks. Okay, you can the robot can sense the touch. and it can recognize the kind color. It can gauge the distance from the obstacle, and all those sensors will help it. And at last, data operations block. So where you can declare the variable, it can these data operations blocks allow the robot to think what is correct and what is wrong. You can it can compare a condition, whether which one is greater, which one is smaller. It can do the operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. You can write some text into as a output on the programmable block, and you can gamble as well, like using the dice, and you can make the robot work depending upon the outcome. So when once you get a grip out of it, you will be best, and you can explore more of it. So people for India is bringing only these 3 sessions for you, and for every for from these sessions, whatever the amount that we are going to collect will be used for your school only. We estimated like some 10 when once we done with 10 classes, so that with that money we can buy you the robot, and donate it to your school. Your school can be benefited, and some of you can come forward, be the leaders, and learn the robotics and extend your knowledge to the other people. So you can come up with a robotics club, and when once fully fledged club is comes out of your school, we can run the competitions with the other schools as well. So people for India is not only working for your school, it is also working with number of schools. So the sky is limit, depending upon your interest. Explore it to the maximum extent possible. If you like it more, and if you think it would take more amount of time to get you buy a robotics kit to you, you can talk to your school management, and if they contribute the money, we can get a robotic set for you. Okay, all the best guys. Okay.